Hello everyone, this is Alina. Today I'm so happy to introduce the new items to you guys. The first is this built-up Tulip Flower Die Cut. You can see we made many samples. This set includes several shapes of flowers and different leaves. Then we can use different combinations to create different tulip flowers. All of them are pretty and adorable, right? The second is this flower background die. The size is 11 cm by 14 cm. It is beautiful background for color making. Also, we can use it in layering. Next are several nesting frame dies with teardrop borders, including rectangle, round, oval, and square. We can see the frames are with basic borders and teardrop borders. Then we can layering them in different colors. Okay, here are poster stamp dies. I personally love this die very much. It cut out a poster stamp with real size. The sizes are 30 mm by 40 mm and 30 mm by 50 mm, just the same size as we use. This die is for box making. This board is 20 cm. It is a board to make boxes. We can use any shape frame dies to cut out a box bottom. and make any size, any shape boxes. Yes, this short border is to make zip. It is to make a secret box. Also, we added a bow die because sometimes we need a bow die to decorate a gift box. Next, we have happy birthday stamps and die cuts. We can use stamps only or dies only. Also, we can use them together. They are very useful to make happy birthday cards. Those of happy birthday cut out only by dies. These are samples stamped and with frame dies. Okay, then we have layering plastic stencils. Layering stencils designs is not very easy. Thanks Lina to design these pretty layering stencils for me. Here is the sample we get. It seems stunning. Also, we designed the frame cutting dies to match these stencils, so we can cut flowers under the leaves very easy. Here are streamlined layering stencils. The patterns looks very easy, but it will turn out stunning. And we can use them in different combinations to get different patterns. Here we filmed a fast video to show how to painting them in layering. Okay, next is the Mandala layering stencil. It turns out very pretty. These are normal stencils. Each set is 60 pieces. Every is very pretty. When we do paper crafting and card making, we need lots of paintings and blendings. These 6-size blending brushes may be good choice. The small size brush can for tiny space painting. Every month, we have new paper packs. The same this month, we have this pretty new. The last I introduce is silk screen stencils. This kind of DIY craft goodies is very popular this year because we can use them to do many crafts and can use them on kinds of surface, such as decorate your furniture, walls, wood frames, windows, your home and your office, or your stores, your workrooms, and so on. So this month, we have many patterns to add into our products line. This tool set is for silk screen printing. It includes 2 size and 6 pieces to make the painting much easier, faster, and well printing. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. You can find us on Amazon and AliExpress. Bye bye.